Yo, what's goody, y'all? It's been a minute. It's your boy Zay back with another video. So I realized that it's been a minute since I brought y'all a beat video, and I've been on my new wave, my new shit. So yeah, I just thought I'll just show y'all real quick a little something, something. Now y'all know this industry plant, Jumex, that's been out lately, kind of stole my beats and shit. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it is I had. Like, I took this sample that my boy sent me and made it into a beat, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did that and how this kid stole my shit. So yeah, as y'all can see, the full beat is already here. Y'all could go check it out. I'm gonna probably drop it right after this, so nobody could really say that I went and stole his shit. So yeah, but let's get straight into it. I'm gonna actually start with the drums and stuff and show y'all how I created this beat step by step. So we jumping straight into this, y'all. Ain't no intro, ain't no outro, none of that. All that is overrated, all that's played out. So yeah, I started here with this 808, and I'm gonna show y'all this 808. So yeah, that's the 808 that I use, and after that I dropped these kicks right here. This kick, after that kick I went ahead and dropped these hi-hats, you know, something simple every 2 steps, but it's more like an open hat. Didn't really do nothing to it at all. So that's what I used there. And after that, what was this? Oh, the open hi-hat, I did reverse it on a second pattern. I'm gonna show y'all that after. But the snares, I dropped these snares, simple snare pattern. Y'all get it? Yeah. And then on my second pattern, I just did only the hi-hats with an open hi-hat right here. Y'all can hear that. And when I put that together, now when I drop the entire thing, what I went ahead and did was, y'all know the original sample for the verse, for when it drops, I raised it like a whole octave or so. And I did my own little effects and stuff that I did in a mixer, you know, throwing some reverbs and some EQs and all that. You know, I did some soft flipper to the 808s and boosted it up and stuff with some distortion, with some sound goodizer. That's just how I rock. That's just me personally. Limiter on the snare, and the EQs just boosted it in the mids and stuff like that. Yeah, that's all I really did. And that's my style of music now. It's like my new go-to is like my hardcore rap, trap, emo, cloud rap type go-to. That's just me. That's just what I'm most comfortable with. Like, I just learned from a couple people, a couple other producers, and my mentoring them, they just told me that I need to find my own style, find my own where I'm most comfortable, and that's how I'm gonna excel. That's how I'm gonna be successful as a producer. So that's what I went ahead and did, and you know, this is just me. So that's mainly what y'all gonna be finding on this channel now, is just my style of making beats and stuff like that. I know at the beginning I was doing all types of style. I'm gonna still be doing all types of style, but this is me here. So I'm gonna play here the beat, the full beat for y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all enjoyed this, comment down below, let me know. If not on this video, I'm gonna do a part 2 to this, showing y'all how to make a beat like this. I'm gonna probably just use his Loner, Lonely, what was it? Loner, yeah, his Loner song. and since he wants to steal mine, I'm gonna just steal his and make a beat around that guitar loop. So yeah, but here's my beat. Yo, say that's your beat. Boys, thank you for watching. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what y'all thought about this, let me know what y'all think about this industry plant Jumex. I personally think that he is an industry plant, but that's just me personally. Everybody is open to their own opinion, but like I seen the most evidence and facts that he is an industry plant. He is a fraud. And I mean, this is not the only thing that he stole, because that loner sample, the reason why I was able to get it is because my boy Ion Lil Gut, he's out here in Florida too. He's a big underground artist right now. Like, y'all should go check him out. He made a song 5 months before Jumex dropped that song Loner, and it's the same beat, the same sample. So I think that Jumex kid is out here stealing people's shit. So that's just my opinion though. Like, everybody's open to their own opinion. But yeah, so if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up button. And yeah, comment down below what y'all think. Comment down below what y'all think about industry frauds and industry plants and all of that. Let me know what y'all think that should be done and who y'all think is industry plants. But other than that, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Zay, 100K Zay Beats. Yeah, we in here, and it's the FL gang. Y'all already know, so come join the family if y'all part of the FL gang. And yo, see y'all on the next video. Peace.